Hi guys, welcome stars of the internet. In today's adventure vlog, we'll cover fraction math, how to add and subtract. Let's start the mission. We have these two fractions, 7 over 6 and 6 over 8. And we want to add them, multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 7 times 8, which is equal to 56. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 56 plus 36, which is equal to 92. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 6 times 8, which is equal to 48. And that is all. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video.